Today, I'll show you how to create eye-catching reels using Canva. First, open Canva and log into your account. On the home page, search for Instagram Reel and select the vertical video size. Next, choose a ready-made reel template or start with a blank design. Templates are great because they already have animations, text styles, and transitions built in. Now, upload your photos or videos by clicking Uploads on the left panel. Drag and drop your media into the canvas and adjust the size and position to fit the frame. Add text by clicking Text, then choose a heading or body style. Customize the font, color, and animation to make your reel more engaging. To enhance your video, add elements like shapes, stickers, or effects from the Elements tab. You can also add music by clicking Audio and selecting a track that matches your content. Adjust the timing of each clip using the timeline at the bottom to keep your reel smooth and fast-paced. Once you're happy with your design, click Share, then download and export it as an MP4 video. Your reel is now ready to upload to Instagram.